How to delete your YouTube channel. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're gonna learn how we can delete our YouTube channel, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Deleting your YouTube channel is actually quite simple. You just open up your browser and go to studio.youtube.com. I repeat, studio.youtube.com, and then just log into your YouTube account. Now this process is much easier if you're on the desktop or browser, but if you're on mobile, after you log in over here, tap the three dots and request a desktop site. This is only applicable for mobile users, so you have to request a desktop site over here. Once you request a desktop site, if you look on the left hand side, you can see various sorts of options that are available for you to choose from right over here. So you can simply go ahead and then select a particular option over here, where you'll also be able to scroll down all the way to the bottom. So when you come here, you can scroll down all the way to the bottom left, you'll find the gear icon, so you can tap the gear icon and you'll open settings. Under settings over here, you can simply go to channel. Under channel, you can go to advanced settings. Under advanced settings, you can simply scroll down over here and you'll see many sort of options over here as well. So here you can say, do you set your channel as made for kids and so on, and you'll also basically find the option to delete your channel. So basically once you go to advanced settings, you'll find the option to delete your channel, which you can simply choose to tap on the close option, and then you can select delete my channel, and then you will be able to delete your YouTube channel. This way you should be able to go ahead and then basically delete your YouTube channel. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.